Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It is me Abisha of Abi Chemistry tutorial. So from this video our channel name is renamed from Chemistry tutorial into Abi Chemistry tutorial because there are a lot of channels in the name of Chemistry tutorial. So to make it unique and to have an identity, I have changed the name to Abi Chemistry tutorial. So hereafter you can see all my videos in this channel and the channel name is Abi Chemistry tutorial hereafter. I am making a lot of chemistry related videos which are very useful for the chemistry students studying mainly in colleges. So I am trying to focus on all the topics of chemistry even from the school students. So the support you give will push me forward to do all videos. So I have uploaded nearly some 36 videos till now, and please watch all these videos and drop your suggestions in the comment box. And if you need any improvement in our section, you can also comment. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So please like our videos, share to all your friends, share the links to all your friends, recommend the name of Abi Chemistry tutorial to all so that more people will watch my videos and get benefited. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel Abi Chemistry tutorial. So please take a second to subscribe to our channel and also tap the bell icon, press all so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So see you all in the next chemistry lecture video. So see you soon. Bye.